You're on the subway platform, you get on the train, and before the doors even close to the train suddenly moves and you fall to the ground and you hurt yourself. Hi, my name is Jonathan Macri and I'm an attorney here at Parker Waichman. And I just told you a story about someone that I represented here at Parker Waichman. And it's a scenario where a lot of times if you fall on a subway, you might be unclear about whether or not you have a claim against the MTA. And the reason is because maybe you've been riding the subway your entire life and you think, well, the train that I'm on didn't derail, it didn't hit another train, it didn't fly 10 feet while the doors were still open, but it just did something that was enough out of the ordinary that it made you fall to the ground, possibly even if you were holding on to one of the rails that's there for you on the subway. Now, there are some very specific laws in New York about what types of motions a train has to make to qualify as something that's out of the ordinary. Because, as you know as a subway rider, sometimes the subways could be a little bit rough to ride. But that doesn't mean that there are certain instances where a train may jut forward unexpectedly, or where it may hit the brakes when there's really no indication that it was going to do so. And if you fell or you were injured as a result of that sudden or jarring action that the train took, you might be entitled to get compensated for what happened to you and for your injuries. Now, you're watching this, I'm sure you have a lot of questions about what the next steps are for you to take from here. What I'd like you to do is to give me a call. Again, my name is Jonathan Macri, and I'm an attorney at Parker Waichman. I want you to call the number that's below me right now on the screen. Why? Because I answer questions about accidents that happen on the subway and accidents that happen on all different sorts of modes of transportation run by the MTA here in New York every day of the week. So give me a call. My name is Jonathan Macri. I really do appreciate you taking a few moments to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.